Welcome! Today we would like to introduce you to an example of a Leutze safety solution, access guarding with dynamic format adaptation. My name is Kristian Schmidinger and I'm Project Manager for Safety Solutions at Leutze. How do you safely transfer pallets in or out if the goods on the pallets have different widths? Or if the pallets are not always in the middle of the conveyor line? You are certainly familiar with the challenge of how to ensure in all these cases that a person cannot enter this hazardous area. In other words, that the person cannot bypass the protective device. Even with the frequently used muting function, the temporary bridging of the protective device, you must reliably prevent bypassing. There are clear specifications for this in the relevant standards, for example, for the lateral distance. In practice, however, this is often difficult to implement. Especially for these applications, we have developed a safety solution that overcomes the mentioned limitations. Access guarding is provided by two safety laser scanners. Their protective fields are adapted by the system to the width of the transported good. For this, two measuring sensors are mounted in front of the protective devices, which determine the width of the transported materials on both sides. The safety program developed by us takes over the safety-related monitoring of the entire process. Let's take a look at this on the model. First, I will start the infeed with a maximum loaded pallet. The light bar above will show the protective fields. You see, they will be adjusted to the transported good and close automatically. Now let's reduce the width of the loaded pallet. You can see the protective fields will be adjusted to the width so that both spaces on both sides are completely protected. Now a person could try to enter the hazardous area from the side through the gap that has become free. However, our gapless monitoring will detect the person and shut down the machine. What does this mean to you now? Regardless of the width of the load and the position of the pallets on the conveyor line, you have gapless safety during the entire transport cycle. This effectively prevents the protective field from being bypassed. At the same time, your productivity increases because the process in the cell can run continuously also during material transfer. This is one example of many. Our safety solutions help you to effectively overcome existing limitations in your applications. Take the path to a safe machine with us as a manufacturer, integrator, and as an operator.